sound is a voiced sound. This means you will use your vocal cords to produce the sound. When saying the sound correctly, you should feel your throat vibrating. Now, to practice saying the E sound, you will need to make sure that your mouth is slightly open. Your lips and teeth will never touch. Your jaw, however, is going to be slightly closed. Your mouth will widen to the sides like a smile. Let's try this positioning together now. Good. Now the back of your tongue is going to touch the hard palate in the roof of your mouth. The sides of your tongue is going to touch your upper side teeth, while the tip of your tongue stays relaxed. Remember, because your jaw is slightly closed, this is not allowing a lot of air to travel through your vocal tract. And this is what is helping produce the E sound. Let's practice the E sound together now. E, E, E. Wonderful. Real, meal, mean, heat, green, bean, feel, beam,
healed, queen, need, peak, screen, keen.